Hi, Ben. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. Just a little tired. It was a long week at work.
Oh, me too. I am very happy it's the weekend.
Definitely. Do you have any special plans for Saturday or Sunday?
Not really. On Saturday, I think I will clean my apartment. And maybe I will watch a movie at night. What about you?
Well, I want to go to the new art market downtown. My sister said it's very interesting. There are many small shops and good food.
The art market? That sounds fun. When are you going to go?
I plan to go on Saturday afternoon around 2 p.m. Would you like to come with me?
Saturday at 2 p.m. Yes, I can. I would love to go.
Great. We can meet there. Do you know how to get there?
I'm not sure. Is it near the central train station?
Yes, it is. It's very easy. You can take the number 12 bus. It stops right in front of the market.
Okay, the number 12 bus. Perfect.
We can walk around, and after, maybe we can get some coffee or ice cream.
That sounds like a great plan. I'm excited.
Me too. It will be a nice break from work.
Okay, so I will see you on Saturday at 2 p.m. at the market.
Yes, see you then. Have a good evening.
You too. Bye.